Hi everyone. Good morning. Asha, you can continue the session. Yeah.
Yes. Good morning, everyone. Today I'll explain how to connect a device, iOS device actually. Excuse me. You people can able to see my screen, right? Yes.
Yes.
iOS device. There is some changes in iOS device connecting to Charles. So, but the network should be on the same. Okay. And how to connect a Visor, right? iOS. It's nothing when you just go to Visor in app. There will be now if I want I can stop broadcast. That's it. If you want to start again, just click on the start broadcast. So this is the way to connect a visor. Go to network on and your laptop and the device should be same network. Wi-Fi settings. Click on the settings icon in iOS. I think if you scroll down, you can see your HTTP proxy, right? There, configure proxy. It is in off stage. So just make it manual. Once enable manual, you have to enter the same port and server and port. That IP address you have to enter. 19. Once you enter the IP address, server and port, just save it. Click on save. Go to Safari browser. Same, you have to install the certificate. Like SHL. Same pro.pro slash SSL. Go. You'll get a pop-up here in Safari. Just click on allow and you'll get a profile downloaded. So just close it that. Once the certification is installed after installation, just go to settings again. Click on general. If you scroll down, you can see the VPN and device management. If you click on VPN device management, there the certification of Charles is being downloaded. You have to install it. Click on Charles certificate, install. Okay, the installation is done. Just click on done and go back in the same general. You have a about. Click on that about. Again, you have to allow all. Okay. Click on certificates, trust settings. You have to enable this toggle. So it will allow all root certificate of Charles. Just click on continue. Go back. Now you can see logs. This
Once
is what
again,
I was.
once again, repeat the steps slowly to so that some people they can note down. Step
Um,
one, step two, step. Can you give some hint for them? Let them write.
yeah, sir. The first thing, go to setting, Wi-Fi settings. Okay. I think iOS most of the devices will be same way like this only. Click on that. There is a I mark you can see, right? If you click on that, it will take to network settings. And the second step in the network settings, you have a HTTP proxy. Click on HTTP proxy. Default will be off. Just make it manual. And the same IP address you have to enter here. Once you select manual, you have to give server and port. Your whatever IP is there, right? You have to give the port server port as a 888. Just save it. Once is the once you entered IP address, just go back to Safari browser and install the certificate. Charles certificate for device. Search hls dot pro slash /ssl. Okay, go. You'll get a pop-up. You have to install it. If you ignore, it won't install. You have to give a allow. So the profile is means the child certificate has been installed. Just close it. You have to install it once the download is completed. And the next step, again go to settings. Click on general and go to VPN and device management. There you can see the downloaded profile. It is already configuration is done. Ignore this, which you can see download profile. Click on that certificate again. Click on install. Again install. The installation is done. Done. Go back. Then the last step is in the general about. You have to enable the trust settings. Go to certificate trust settings. I already enabled it. So just enable it to continue. These are the steps you have to follow in iOS.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yeah,
That certificate enabling, can you please repeat that once again? Just
okay.
now you did.
Yeah, once the installation is done in the when you go to general and you will install it, right? VPN and device management. I had installed the certificate. Go back and same in general only. You can see the about. Scroll down. There is the certificate or trust settings. When navigate, when click on that, you see that your it is in a. It won't be on like it will be an off stage. You have to enable it. Then only you can see the logs. So just enable it and click on continue.
Okay.
The certificate installation is done. Now if you launch any app, it will work. Actually iOS it will take all the apps. If it is in a prod also we can see the logs. If it is SSL proxy is enabled, or but iOS, Android, web, web also we can see, but sometime you will get a block. Especially Android, if you want to see any logs, you should have a debug build, or else everything you will get the unknown errors.
Debug build means when you're working in the company, they will give you where you can see all the logs. But when you take a normal build, there you will not be able to see all the logs.
You won't see, you can't see any locks. Everything you it will come as a unknown, unknown, unknown. I can show actually. One prod build only will work.
How many of you are having iOS device? Chandana, Vinay. Okay. Try, Alec. Are you able to connect?
Yes, sir.
Is it connected, Chandana?
Yes, sir.
Okay, perfect. Others
Yes, sir.
working? Okay. Gurunath, for you working?
Yes, sir.
Actually, iOS, who has iOS device, for them it is very easy to understand with respect to API.
Okay.
So they won't get any blockers.
Android, how many of you are able to try it yesterday? How many of you are able to connect?
Sir, for us the certificate is coming, but it's not getting downloaded. So
Okay, so that time your Wi-Fi may not be working, or maybe you will not be having an internet. You have to
Yes, sir.
retry by removing the port, whatever you enter, right? So you have to remove that port, once again refresh, then you need to connect back.
I mean, set that code to another number like that.
No, no, not like that. So you have to close that Charlesproxy and once again reopen the Charlesproxy and go to help. There, install root certificate. Again, you will get that IP address. Then you try to re-enter. So you would have already entered. You completely remove that port and make it none. Then after that, you make it manual. In that way, you can try to connect it.
Okay.
You will get an option like allow or deny. So you have to select allow in the child certification. Then it will get connected. Overall, having a problem that we can discuss it on either Saturday or Sunday. So how many of you are able to connect? Only those guys raise like how many of you are able to connect it? Can you raise your hands? iOS, lower your hands. Okay, 5. How many people? 5, 7. Okay, 6. Swati, Priya Patil, Zabiz, Bindya. Okay, Adilakshmi also connected. Android.
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, actually, I have downloaded the child certificate to the like my device, but I don't know like how to install like the steps.
Asha, can you guide her now? She'll share the screen.
Yeah. Sure.
So iOS is done, huh? How to connect?
iOS done. And one more thing, when it comes to TVs, actually TVs also same steps only with until we have to enter the port and IP address, but we can't install the certificate on TV. So what will they'll do when they're giving a build? They will take our personal whatever we have installed in our laptop certificate. They will whitelist it and they will give. So then only you can access for TV logs.
Okay. So for
And
Android as
TV
well
also,
as
Android TV and like Android TV Fire Stick, those TVs only you can work. And TV OS, same like iOS, how I tested just no showed that same. You have to enter the IP address, everything. Till that steps are same. But if you want to install the certificate, they will already whitelist and they will give you. So no need to worry on that installation of certificate. for TVs. But HTML, like LG and Samsung, you can't take any logs. Only you can see network logs.
Okay. Guys, whitelist means a developer, they will have an option to allow or to have to attach this certificate in that particular build, or it's like kind of a masking. Okay, so where they will inside a code they'll do white label, like they'll do white labeling, and then they will try to insert that code with a particular certificate. So you don't have to reinstall the certificate in that TV, just for a knowledge purpose. For you, how to install Charlesproxy in Android, how to install in iOS, and how to install in your Windows. So that procedure you should know.
And they ask most of the questions like how you will install the certificate, how you will install the Charles. The first question comes, that is the one.
Okay, Pooja, you can share your screen. She'll guide.
Yes, sir.
I hope you connected to Visor as well. You're on mute, Pooja.
Yes, sir, I have connected. Actually, I after downloaded the Charles certificate to the device, so it is
Okay.
asking for this one.
Can you give any names? You can give your name only. But why you are installing VPN and apps, just click on that down arrow, certificate name. I don't think so. It is required for you. Which is the OS yours? OS of device, OS version.
OS version is wait, we'll check once.
Is it done?
12. Okay, Android version 10.
Yeah, Android version is 10.
Okay, go back and search CA certificate. Go to settings. Search CA certificate. Okay, click on install certificate.
It's not downloaded.
It's not downloaded.
But I got here like in downloads.
No, first check whether it is connected or not.
No, you have to search like a CA certificate, or you have to search like a install certificate.
Okay, check once.
Close this. Okay. Start from the beginning, Pooja.
No,
Yeah.
no, install the certificate again.
Okay. Shall I download once again?
No,
Yeah,
no.
download the certificate in device, not in a phone, laptop.
Asha, what I'm telling is whether she's connected or not, check once in the Wi-Fi.
Okay.
Just try once, then you go for installation.
Can you open the settings, Wi-Fi settings?
Yes.
Can you move the mobile that side?
I can't see. Yeah.
Drag.
Click on that settings. Here in the Wi-Fi. Click on that. Yes.
Actually, I have connected for this for in laptop and mobile. Wait for check that.
Which Wi-Fi you are using?
The same. Airtel 5G.
Okay. Port. Can you open a help? Here, click on in the Charles help.
Yeah.
Help. SSL proxy. Install Charles root certificate. Click on that. Okay. Just give a save. Click on save that. No, this is okay.
It is automatically switching to here. Yeah.
Just do the forget network. No. You connected 5G or only Airtel?
5G.
5G. Okay, click on that.
Yeah.
Okay, fine. Now you install the certificate again in the device.
Okay.
Go back, go to Chrome browser. CHLS slash
That
Is
is
it?
wrong.
wrong
CHLS.
CHLS. Yeah, click on the first one.
First one.
Yeah, click on.
Mhm.
No. Go back. Why you just going to browser?
You type properly chls.pro slash.
Close out SSL.
No, not here.
Type
On
it
the-
in the board. Yeah, there.
Refresh.
Just refresh.
Downloaded.
Yeah, downloaded it has.
Okay, go to settings now again. Click like search CA certificates or else you can search install certificates only. Okay, click on install certificate.
Normal certificate was there, no? Come back there. You had one more option.
Yeah.
No,
Now
that is for device.
device, okay.
Go back. You have only installed
Sir,
certificate, right?
we need to check the
Yes.
settings privacy, then we'll find it.
No, you click on that file wherever you downloaded. Let's see where it goes. Charlesproxy, yeah. Hello. Update.
Give a pattern.
Yeah, I
Okay, just change it to Wi-Fi. Click on Wi-Fi. Select Wi-Fi. Give a name. Okay, click on OK. Now search install certificate. The first one, install certificate.
Wait, check.
You got one
Uh,
Charles error.
Yeah, I got this.
download here.
Again,
No, you can give any name. Fine.
shall I change to Wi-Fi?
No. VPN apps only. Just give any name. Okay, save it. Now just launch any app. Go back.
Okay.
Go to Charles.
Yeah.
Maximize that screen. Charles. Closed. ವೈಫೈ ರೇಂಜ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆಯಾ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ 1 ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ತೋರಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮೇಲೆ ಮೊಬೈಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ
1 point.
ಮ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿಮೈಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು ಚಾರ್ಲ್ಸ್ ಬಾಕ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆ.
Okay, click on proxy. Disable this window proxy. Just click on that. Okay. Go to device. Under device. Just launch the any app.
ಯಾವ್ದಾರು ಓಪನ್ ಮಾಡಿ ರೈಟ್
Launch the any app, no problem.
Yeah, okay.
ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಕಮಿಂಗ್ ನೋ.
It's
Left
coming.
Yes.
Amazon.in.
Mm.
Third one. Top 2 3 api.amazon.in. Yes.
Yes, sir.
It's triggering calls. Connected.
Your OS is very low. That's the reason. You have to install Wi-Fi certificate also.
Okay.
How to install that Wi-Fi certificate?
That is it. Actually, it will come in a low-end devices,
Okay. Mm-hmm.
not in a like OS 11, 12, 13. Those devices will not get that option actually.
Okay, fine then. It's not that important, right?
No, no, no.
Yes.
Only low-end like 5, 6,
Version 5, 6 or 7.
6 and 7.
Okay.
So those 8, 9, 10.
Okay. Fine. This is about installation of both Android and iOS. People who are not able to resolve, Saturday or Sunday, I'll connect and I'll solve that Android related installation. So now you can give some points, Asha, like which are all the questions are important. You give questions today, tomorrow you can start addressing that.
Yeah, sure. Who has iOS device here? Who told? Like some people had raised a hand, no? Yeah. Like who has iOS device? They can easily at least go through the APIs. For example, I'll just show my screen. I had installed the prod build only, whichever app like Z5, even would or else with Amazon. So you guys can easily access when you install the child certificate because you will get all allow only. So there is no unknown errors. Like you can just go through that. If you just if you scroll down or if you click on any calls, any uh, playback assets, so that time all the APIs will be highlighted. For example, let's play one board asset. I just click I tap on one word asset. So for me, this is the call is getting highlighted, right? The yellow mark. Means you can just if I go, you can see here the chunks calls, playback calls are getting fired. So who has iOS device, they can just go through that. Like even who has Android device, they can't see complete API calls like request, response, everything. But you can see like what are the calls has been fired.
Now, Asha, can you, like now just try to show them what you will identify here, what you're trying to check.
There are so many things we verify.
Give one example and just uh, show them what you check there.
Okay, so I'll just explain to you guys. I clear complete session. See if you click on this, the session will be cleared. So now if I launch the app, there are certain APIs will get fired. So we have to verify those APIs. For example, we have a content API. So content API means like whatever trays are there right here. These are the trays, rails, those things, whatever trays has been configured for that particular page, it will be get fired. Like if you go with mobile, I can see all the trays, even the color of the theme, color of the all the CTAs, those things will be configured. So those things we will check. And if we come to other APIs like APIs Geo, you are seeing, right? This is with respect to like user service. Like for example, I'm a logged in user. I launch the app. If I'm a subscribe user, so even for that, different call will be fired in the same apsgeo.com. For example, I will log into the uh, application now. So I'm logging now. I have to get a login API. So these are the login API. You guys can see right here. I just logged in. This is the first call. Like I just entered the OTP call, OTP I got right in my device. So that is the first call. So once I entered the OTP and once I logged in, I'll get a verify call. So like this, we have to verify on each APS. So if it is I'm checking on verify, so I got a proper user ID, device IDs, profile ID. There are many IDs like token, or I'm a new user, or name. You can see the name. So those things also we need to verify. Actually, we are whatever request we are sending, we are getting a proper response or not. So these are the request. Okay, this is the request body. This is the response in Charles. Whatever we are sending here, like we are requesting in client, in the device. So we are getting all this data or not. We have to validate those things.
API, if you know, you can understand what is request and what is response.
Response.
If you're not understanding, I'll teach API. There you will understand more clarity.
Yeah.
Whatever you are sending it to the server, for example, your username and password you are asking, okay, you want to log in. Server will authenticate and it will give you the response saying that, yeah, like you got one authentication. Look at there. So she has added that authentication details, user ID, profile information, and IP address, which device is connected, and the name, and the mobile number, whatever she entered. You are able to see that mobile number.
Some we can see the complete mobile number, but some they are going to mask the complete number. Only they shows just to end up the 4 numbers. Because of the authentication, they do that. Okay. Even same behavior in the front end also. You people can see right here. It shows only last 4 digit of the numbers. Even if you log out also, you can get the API. Like now I logged out. I'm a guest user. So the guest call has been fired. So once the guest call is fired means my profile ID with respect to device ID will be the same. It won't change. My profile ID and there will be whatever other data will be there. Those things should be fired. So we will verify as those properties as well. I just logged out. So I should get a different token and device ID will be remain same, and after that analyticals ID, some other IDs will be there. So we'll check profile ID has changed or not, because you can see here right, profile ID is here. This I'm the logged in user, my profile ID is this is the one. If I'm logged in with Android, iOS, web, anywhere for the my profile, it will be a same, it will return every across platform same. But once I switch to guest, the profile ID has changed. So we'll verify those things. Seeing this, like I am a guest user, the profile ID has been changed or not. I'm a logged in user. I'll verify. Okay, I logged into Android, iOS device, so my profile ID is same. If I'm logging to web, my profile ID should be same. So this ID has changing or not, it is retaining or not. Those things also we'll verify on all this call. This is with respect to login. When if I go to playback, I'll just show playback also. I'm playing a asset. Just now I played a asset, right? So we'll get a playback call. The particular content. So we are sending a many things are there here request, right? In the request body, like with respect to download, we can do that is having a multi audio. RL parental pin is enabled. Those are the things we are sending it here. These are the request. Okay, like it is a DRM protected, or what are the video qualities are available. It is 4K is available. Like all the video qualities we will be updated here, and even we are sending all the things in even age rating, Dolby in the audio. We will get all the details over here. So these are the response. Like you can see here, right? The response code is 200, and the okay. We get complete info of the that particular asset. Just now I played Big Boss asset. So Big Boss, you can see right, season 17 episode 111, this is the asset I had played. So all this front end info you can see here. Age number they had given, content type is the episode, I had played the episode content, and name of the asset. Like it is displaying as it is in a front end. So whatever we are seeing in the back end, it is displaying is in front end or not. And even you can see the description. So if I click on this, see more, the description is matching or not as per the backend. You can see all this. Is it a trailer or content duration? How long the content duration? It will be always in a milliseconds. We have to convert to minutes. Okay. And duration. What are the stream type? It is a dash or HLS, and it is ads are there, ads provider and CDN provider. So those all these things we will validate. That is a downloaded. We can download this asset. If it is here, it is a false means we can't download the asset. If it is true, only we can download the asset. All the things will be we will validate here actually. You can see your no response. So we'll check actually the whatever it is showing in a backend, it is as it is displaying. If I do any changes here, it is displaying in front end or not. So those things also will verify. Actually, I'll just show one. I made it here 17 plus, right? See, I made it to 17 plus. It is displaying here. So we just need to validate those changes are it is changing over there or not. Even I can edit this description. See this, it is having a this much description, right? Just change it here.
Asha, you're on mute.
No, sir.
Okay.
See, I just made a changes over here. See, it is broad build, right? I'm getting a error on the player screen.
We cannot edit the content on the prod build. Huh?
No, sir. They don't give access.
I understand. I understand because it's a production build, right? Everybody are using it.
Yeah, that's the reason they won't give all the changes. That is
Mm.
the reason playback is playing actually.
Understood. Understood. You cannot make a changes in the production build because many people are using it. If you change it, again, it will be a problem for the end users. But now she's trying to show you all these activities we can do it when you get a normal testing build. So they'll give a debug build. There you can do the
They
test.
will provide a debug build. Even iOS also they will provide a debug build because whatever we have to check, like with respect to response request, everything changes we have to do, right? That time they will provide a debug build. We don't want to use a prod build actually. But in iOS, if you want to understand like whatever call, if I'm doing any action in the app, whatever call is being fired, you can see in iOS actually properly, not in Android. Android, you have to have a debug build only. For that purpose, I just showed you. See, if I just scroll down, every time you can see that view content, it's getting highlighted. If I switch the tabs,
Click on view, Asha.
sorry,
Click,
sir.
click on view. View log is the no.
Yeah, you want to see.
See, the logs are getting triggered whenever you change that particular page, no?
See, I went to movies now. It is fired movies. I'll go to TV shows. You can see that shows, right? Now I'll go to sports. The sports calls has been fired. I'll go to homepage. You can see mute. The homepage has defined as a mute, so you'll get a mute. If I click on the spillover, kids and family, it will go to again content. So those are editorial trace. So it will go to trace whatever has been configured, those call API call, like specific query, it will get fired. I'll navigate back and I'll go to news section. So these are the editor. It is a different tray. So you'll get as a query and multiple query. If you play asset, it will be fired on playback only. If I play any live asset, the playback call will be happen on. See, I'm playing a live asset. I'm just we have to check the content type is same only. Like if it is live asset, it will show as a content type live channel. And you can just check this. This is the content ID, right? You can just verify in web as well. Is the same asset as being played or not? If you play any website. In the browser, anyway, you'll be having a content ID. This are content ID or asset ID will call. We'll change it. The same asset is playing. I'm playing you on CNN News 18. Even the web as well, the same. So this are main thing. And actually, if you want to work on any some particular APA, you can focus it. Focus is nothing that will be highlighted for you. Just if you click on any of the APAs, I'll just go to other host. I'll just go. Yeah, here you can see some team events is there, right? This should be, I wanted this APA means you can just click on right click. You'll get all this copy URL, all the sessions like expand, collapse, all those things will be there. If you want that particular APA, you can just click on focus. The APA will be focused. So that is the main. If the APA call is get fired, you can see here itself. That is just a focusing. You are just highlighting those APAs for your access for easy access. Okay. And if you don't want this particular session, like you don't want this calls, whatever has been fired, actually, I don't want this auth token. Complete API call, I don't want. I can even clear that. Just click on right click on. Just clear if you give that complete API calls, whatever has been tried, it will be clear. Or else, even if you want only one particular APA, other calls you not required for you, you can even clear that. Clear others. If you do, only you will get that particular call. Just if you right click on that particular API only, you'll get. You can focus, or else you can clear it. Or if you want that API, you can keep it that. Other APIs will be cleared, like clear others. Like many calls will be there, right? So that it take too much length of the file when you are saving the logs. So that time you can just clear all the other sessions. Whichever particular API is required, you can keep it that, and the rest all you can just clear it. Like how to save the logs, I'll just show. So I'll perform just play changing the set tabs so that logs are being fired, right? So go to file, click on save session as. You will get files of type. You have to save it in .hls only, because when you open the same file, it will come on Charles file only. I'll just show now. I'll save it this. You can give any name. Just click on save. It will be saved. Now I'll close complete Charles. I just save the session, right? So this is the session. This is the session I've saved it. You open that file. I'll get as a same, whatever how the Charles will open, right? Same. You will get all the same logs. You can see whatever logs has been fired. Everything you can see, because this is mainly developer. They can use it for their debugging purpose. If anything is failing, the all complete logs will be stored, right? So just we save and add it to their tickets or something. They can just verify with that. They can cross check. Like it will mainly use for them to debugging. I'll just tell once again how to save this session. Go to file, click on save session as, give some random name, but it should be saved in .hls only. Save it. It's done. The session is being saved. You can see it here because the name also will be changed over here. Before it was showing content QC. Now I made it content QC charts. So it has been saved. See, you open again the same session will be open. And even you can at a time you can open multiple session as well. Just click on file. You can click on new session means it will take a new session. If you don't want this again, you want a new session, you can again click on new session. It will take a new session. Or else you don't want any log. If you perform anything, you have to clear all this session means just click on this brush, it will get cleared. So all the logs it will be cleared, and again you can perform action, whatever is required. Then you can save the logs. The latest one. Wait to terminate the you people can verify other OTTs as well, like Hotstar, Netflix. You guys have any questions?
They'll not ask question. If they ask, they'll get job very soon. Okay, fine then. Thank you all. So tomorrow, what we need to do, Asha?
Tomorrow I'll explain like how to apply a breakpoint and
Okay.
breakpoint map local as well as DNS snooping,
Okay.
and how to block the APIs. Plus, if possible, I'll explain rewrite as well.
Okay. Rewrite. Okay. Fine. No problem. So let me stop the recording.